Suction base prevents little eaters from pushing, tipping or throwing it. High side walls help little learners scoop up food. Plate twists off suction base for easy cleaning. Suitable for ages 6 months to 4 years. Plastic, silicone. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Includes 1.5 diameter bowl. Includes 1 7.5 diameter divided plate with 4 sections. Top reviews from the United States. Great Y peeler. This is the first OXO item I am pleased with. Tried many from this company and have discarded all. I do find their items expensive, but if they work, it's great. This peeler is perfect, effortless peeling especially for a person with severe arthritic hands. Its nice size, comfortable to hold, appears to be strong. If the blade holds up longer than other Y peelers, I will definitely buy another as a spare. Usually Y peelers after a while the blade seems to lose its sharpness and position moves.